Pilgrimage is a sacred practice of tending our divinity and our soul's journey. And as beings of infinite light in these human bodies, we humbly ask deep soul-churning questions like, who am I? Why am I here? And what sacred purpose am I here to live through this heart and through this body? Our pilgrimage in Egypt is a deep, intimate, initiatory journey of soul remembrance, of connecting to the lifetimes of tending temples through sound and singing, ritual and ceremony, for our personal healing, collective healing, and for peace, and to fully embody our light and our multi-dimensionality.
Sounding in the temples, there is a sense of becoming one with the temple and allowing my channel to fully open and for the songs of the temple, of the ancient ways, to come through my being. And it feels like when I'm singing in there, I'm singing with every being that has ever sung within those walls. And it just melts you. It feels angelic, it feels healing, it feels beautiful beyond measure, beyond words. It's an absolute experience of a lifetime.
Sounding in the temples is at the same time this super otherworldly, cosmic experience, as it is and felt for me so natural and like a deep cellular memory of we have done this for eons.
Deep remembrance of this is how we always have been practicing and being and experiencing life together.
For me, what kept on coming up was this term, remembrance. I need to go to Egypt to remember why I'm here, and to activate, to come into my presence of being.
temple and the sounds of the temple were unlocking a key through the sound and the movements that were taking place there.
We call upon the light for the highest good as we open our channels through our chakra toning.
Every temple that we sang in sang back to us, and each song that they sang to us embedded codes within us, symbols, hieroglyphs, light language, codes into our being. And I feel that so strongly. Like when I close my eyes, I can feel the light beneath my skin. And that is what I'm going to take with me out into the world. These light codes, the light within my being that was already there, that is now infused with the magic of Egypt and the temples and the sacred lands that we walked upon.
I see this work as important for the world because it creates harmony in my being, and I see it creating harmony in the beings of all who take the time and intention to practice this toning with the voice, with sound, and with the sound it seems to reflect light, which makes so much sense why this mystery school is called Sounds of Light, because the sound seems to evoke the light to pour in and through us. It's a really exciting feeling too. It's as if I can do anything. I'm unstoppable in this state of being. And I want this for everyone. I want everyone to feel unstoppable and in love with life.
This is a journey of awakening the healing technology of sound embedded in our voices and inside the harmonic fields of the temples. And through our temple rituals, we remember the ancient ways of using sound for healing and activating our devotional hearts to sing and sound for our personal and collective healing and for peace. And remember that as a way of life.
Find the voice of the heart. I felt like I was able to get to a place where the heart was able to be heard for the first time in my ears, like my true heart, authentic heart voice. And I've noticed since then, like a complete shift, realignment of self. And my voice and even my talking voice has changed and shifted a bit. Like it was the first time of there it is.
In one of the temples where I learned to breathe properly, like the temple just enabled this dragon breath in my chest, and I just learned how to hold it and breathe it properly, and it just meant that I was able to hold the sound and the tuning, and it just felt like the frequency just moved through your whole body, but also expanded this field between us all. It's like the voice is my superpower, the voice is my medicine.
I feel my voice is tuned. I feel much more confident to allow my voice to flow. And through these practices of this past couple of weeks, I've noticed songs come through and feel joyful to share these songs. And I trust that more songs will continue to flow through. Something that I've realized is that music is the most beautiful gift that we can share with life.